Ryan Skinner with Devidyme, recording another WordPress video tutorial. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new appointment using the Booking Calendar plugin. So while you're logged into WordPress and you have the plugin installed, you're just going to hover over Booking and click on Add Booking, which will bring you to this page here. Then you can choose which resource you want to book the appointment for. So if you have multiple types of tests, such as this medical office, or if you have different rooms for rent or whatnot, you're going to choose the resource that you want to book the appointment for. And then once you choose the resource, the calendar is going to appear for that resource, and you can see what dates are available. This is a new site, so as you can see, all these grayed out dates here have they're completely open, whereas this one here has some availability because we have made one appointment on that date already. So as you're talking to your client or the patient, you would just gather the information similar to how they would if they're going to fill out the calendar on the website themselves. You would just choose the date that they want to make the appointment for. You would select the time, and then you would just enter in their information. So put in their name, their date of birth, whatever information you have set up in your registration form. You're going to want to put that in here. So we require an address. Got to do a phone number. Zip code. You could put a message in if you want to. And then you have to accept the terms and conditions just like they would as they're filling out online. And then once you have all the information filled out, I recommend keeping this checkbox checked here. It's going to send an email notification right to the customer. So that way the patient will get a notification with a reminder of the date and time of their appointment. And they'll also see the information you entered in here. So if there's anything that's inaccurate, they'll have an opportunity to email you or call in and correct the information. And then you would just click on send. And then now if you see the calendar here, you'll see that it's updated. The book time's 12 o'clock. And if you go look at the front end of the website, and if we refresh that, we can look at the calendar and see the same thing here. So now if someone else went on the 9th, they would not be able to select that 12 o'clock time slot. It's no longer available. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. You can find more videos and articles on our website, devidyme.com. And feel free to join us on social media. You can find @Devidyme on Facebook and Twitter. Also, if you did find this video helpful, I would love for you to let me know on Twitter. Just tweet me your feedback with the hashtag WordPressVideoTutorial.